So this one here says, learn to be okay with people not knowing your side of the story. You have nothing to prove to anyone. What does that say to you?
Well, you don't really have to justify your participation in something. It should be enough for you to know that you acted in the way that you act, and if they don't believe what you're trying to tell them, or they see something and they assume that that's how it happened, sometimes you got to be okay with that too, because trying to convince them that it flew another way or went another way is usually, and you doing the best that you did, sometimes that has to be enough.
Okay, but sometimes don't you want to tell your side of the story? Don't you want people to know, like, yo, it didn't happen that way. No, this happened, that happened. Like, even if it's on the side of, like, a relationship, maybe things went bad. You don't want people to know your side of the story?
Sometimes.
You do? Yeah.
It depends. It's like, you have somebody just accuse you from something off the top.
Yeah.
And you're so insulted that they accuse you of something that they know that ain't in your character to do. It's kind of like, if you're going to believe that I did that, forget you did.
Right.
Believe it.
Right.
And you knowing that you didn't do it is sometimes enough.
Yeah.
But I think it depends. I think, what do you think?
I think as look, when I was younger, I cared about what people thought. So me explaining my side of the story was me getting maybe validation or, what they thought, right? But as I've gotten older, I just don't care. So I don't give a fuck if you know my side of the story or not. I know the full story.
Right.
And I'm just okay with that. But, it takes time to not care what other people think. If they know the side of the story, if they don't, if they know more detail than what you're willing to give, because maybe they found out more detail from the other party, it doesn't matter. Just on a general sense, I'm okay with not explaining myself.
Got you.
And I'm okay with what you think about me off the information that you have.
I really feel that, especially when who the person isn't significant to me. Like, I really don't care what them neighbors think about me sitting out here begging you to let me in. I don't care what them people think.
Yeah.
Let me in, baby. Can we please? Can we talk about it? I don't care if they sit there letting me laugh, and those people don't pay no. It's like, I don't care how I'm seen.
Right.
If something that I'm fighting for is worth fighting for, I don't really care what nobody think of me.
Right.
So I get you. It depends on
the degree of
degree and the people that's judging me.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
I don't care. So I got you.
Okay.